Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Apple Cash must be active, and you must be signed into your Apple ID on your iPhone. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication and your region are correct, because PlayStation payments rely on regional billing. Now open Settings or the App Store, tap your profile, and check payment methods. Add Apple Cash if it's not present. This links your balance to Apple Pay. Do that first, because the rest depends on a validated Apple Cash source. Next, link Apple Cash to your PlayStation purchase flow. On your PlayStation console, go to Settings, Account Management, and Payment Methods to see available options. If your console shows Apple Pay, choose it and approve the charge on your iPhone using Apple Cash. That authorizes the transaction instantly. Once approved, the store charges your Apple Cash balance. If Apple Pay doesn't appear, switch to the PlayStation app or web store on your iPhone and attempt checkout there, because that often exposes Apple Pay. Finish by completing checkout and verifying the purchase. If Apple Pay appeared, confirm the charge in your iPhone wallet and wait for the PlayStation download to start. Check your PSN transaction history and email receipt. If Apple Pay wasn't available, use Apple Cash to buy a PSN wallet code in the App Store or an authorized vendor, redeem it on PlayStation, and apply funds. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, re-add the payment method, double-check billing addresses, and contact support only after those quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.